Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something special for all you DIY enthusiasts and garden lovers out there. We're talking about the Easy Flow Irrigation Hose Bib, a game-changer for your outdoor watering needs. Stick around, because we're about to dive into the details of this amazing product. Folks, let me introduce you to the Easy Flow Irrigation Hose Bib, the best bottom feed hose bib you can find on the market today. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just looking to upgrade your outdoor watering system, this is the product you need. Now, let's talk about what makes this hose bib stand out from the rest. First and foremost, this hose bib is built to last. It's constructed with heavy-duty brass and features a zinc handle for added strength and durability. So, you can count on it to withstand the test of time and tough weather conditions. Installing the Easy Flow Hose Bib is a breeze. It comes with a 1/2-inch male inlet pipe and a 1/2-inch male hose thread connection, making it compatible with copper, galvanized pipes, and standard garden hoses. So, whether you're a DIY novice or a pro, you'll have no trouble setting this up for both residential and commercial applications. What sets this hose bib apart is its versatility. It's specifically designed for irrigation purposes, making it ideal for all your outdoor watering needs. Just remember, it's not intended for potable water use. Now, here's the best part. You get all these incredible features at an unbeatable price. The Easy Flow Hose Bib offers fantastic value for money, making it a smart choice for any budget-conscious shopper. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers who have already experienced the benefits of the Easy Flow Hose Bib. Fits perfectly, made well, and no leaks. This hose bib is a game-changer for my garden. 5 stars. Easy to install, great fit, and it doesn't drip. I'm extremely pleased with this product. It's so easy to use. This hose bib is excellent value for the money. It's now a staple in my workshop sink, and I couldn't be happier. There you have it, folks. The Easy Flow Irrigation Hose Bib is the best bottom feed hose bib available in the market. With its durable construction, easy installation, versatility, and unbeatable value for money, it's a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. If you're ready to upgrade your outdoor watering system and make your gardening life easier, click the link in the description below to get your Easy Flow Hose Bib today. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more top-notch product reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and happy gardening!